Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for, so what's na hache, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotanipa, Omu the many pebia, Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasatoto emfashema erade kaso na manya
Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for, so what's na hache, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotanipa, Omu the many pebia, Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de biye. Atrema kasatoto emfashema erade kaso na manya Ghana for our portrait, ya, say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimo, a potwakasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimo could draw for, so what's na hache, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi Dronsua, a Yomokokra, a banini passitnemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimu Akotanipa, Omu the many pebia, Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242, and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I need fuchiniye. Ebidi de biye.
Atrema kasa toto emfa shema erade kaso na manya imase
Ghana for wa broche ha ya te dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mum yemfa yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors. Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wedi edro nso a eyo mokokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudi mu akotene pa omo wo mre di mani pe bia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For enquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are
Good evening. Welcome to Legal Matters. Yes, Ebraso Etifo IBT and Kratasem legal issues, legal matters. In Kratasem migration issues, migration updater, Wisemart Solicitors, Daroma, Omonte Ebrain, I bring you a preview to, as always, when Tuesdays, about 7 p.m. UK time, the name is Ebraso IBT and Kratasem, and Emransem. Wisemart Solicitors Adaroma. We are live on Facebook and YouTube and also on our radio station, our radio website, toponlinestation.com. Also, you can tune into on our radio app that you can get from the same station, the same website, or from your Play Store or the App Store. I say immigration updating the air hot kick into mensa brekra follow yamrana yenhye enkomanase Mr. Oba no so share na obi so etimi etiebi because mransem enkrata sem de emfania brekra especially akontifo right. Lawyer Wisdom, welcome to Legal Matters. Pacho Wisemart.
Thank you. What's the link now, Mami?
Pacho I.
Okay, thank you. Mami, 1 minute, Name.
Okay, yo. So a tip for senior Wisemart Solicitors. Omo actually enye yira kwankra BFA enkrata sem. Immigration visa sem. I say upeso kofo unipe bi free Ghana ba wa bedru ha also nema adiwa ka adwamu na ho we can say usu uhia se obi ebo na wonkrata asem etim isisi so omo ye no bebre na the hitim sa immigration and this open immigration lawyers there and the first number one Wisemart Solicitors. Omo Unit 8 the Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. That is Unit 8. I don't know they say how much Unit 9 I can't and so Unit 8 to 9. Wow. I say more much Unit 7 to 9. The Print House. Okay. 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. Omo office number line 0208 016 5384 That is 0208016538 and a mobile number. Mobile here because me was secret be and only kuta lawyer no. So it is up as so hana yes mobile number 07931411042 07931411042 and the offer on the direct line. So I beto friend no anya no office line on the so I yo lawyer meaning say at the same what me asha ma on platform yo any lawyer any major man na immigration update na yene Ghana for enche
medase papa mechio bia etiefo ahwefo enuanom adofo no yegide se obia ho ye nanso agya ne de ache ye papa adom ne mobro ho
sa
enye adom na enye mobro ho a enka yenka ho but
yes
his grace and mercy have restored us and kept us and another may be very brief now. We have other assignments. Yes, ufo also unya.
Uye ni nyina. Ufo doso uye ni nyina.
Just a phone doso nti ye bi wa hane akwa ye bi wo ensoja na enso akwa ye so. Sure. One now for just na ye ko nenum. Ko nenum ano. Number 1. A few things have come up. Are very disturbing. And ye pese ye come wasam na ye hihye ye nyoma ye yenye ye fie ye ye Ghana for and say bibi e ko na e be affect yen a esese ye ka ho asa because menua e Ghana ni na bibi minim say anamehwe na trend bi e be affect na it's just good and fair say mama ya swati na nia esese ye nya no ye nya ye hu say Home Office decisions be eba nansay. Decisions na eba no e kire se ebinumu ema fake COS. Fake COS. Now nipa bebre wo krom ha omo ba ye no na employer no ya revoke license. Ya revoke employer ni license nanti ama employees no COS no so has been affected. Right. And predators being our system say there are a lot of people who are desperate. They want to do something. They want to find a way of switching their applications into not only of our COS. COS is so enough from answer no benya COS no. Na just say ebibiakum.
Yeah.
Now unfortunately instead of a genuine COS, normal come fake COS.
Oh, okay. It has no correlation over there.
At all. There is no trace of it. What they call Home Office, a normal throwback saying. What your application for as a skilled worker? However, the COS are provided. Our checks with the Home Office shows that it is a fake COS.
Oh.
And my reason, they shouldn't refuse the application. In fact, they are so kind. No matter say we are minded to refuse your application. So you give a reason why you should not, or they shouldn't refuse the application. Say your employer no na mistake. Let them know. Letter if your employer no will say, oh, young na abia type it the numbers and figures no. We got it wrong. So you give them a reason why. And in a lot of cases now, they have no basis to reply to the Home Office as a mistake. And Timofa sit nana emame. Meanwhile, near one more COS no, near ABA or no, as I said, or yeah, and son or the amount. Why you were family dear? Now, a could do how you are, and ya dear, unsabeka. Amamra why no not just wabu na odi afano hoedi ebasa ehadwen na papa so hwe so a yankasa yankrofo ya na ebu yankrofo yi
ayo
na yen kasa nkrofo yen kromfo na yen big brothers nso na omudi ebububu amanfo omo a mate se omfree the Philippines Pakistan for no mante any problem ana omo bi amfa bibi say ambrem ba yen ayen nkrofo na efa this problem and yesre se obi ama COS ana obi esho boss oma COS please be sure your assurance they say a genuine COS na one fan ko na akwara kwada omo refuse if say na akwara kwada record nso say we obi a we use a fake document na akwara say within so ewo ho
Yeah, some lawyer. They will there to say, you know, why one say, you know, I'm saying I'm sure you know, so now after all everything, you know, say that the thing is fake, and you go ahead and you know give out. It's it's very disheartening.
it is
Very very disheartening.
sekanti
Yeah.
na yeah enza so yeah no na akako yeah it's not fair, it's not right.
No.
And yeah na me can say it goes round and comes round and say yeah na we should think about the future when some of these things are being done. Number 2, in the same line, yanga yaba with Abia as a student waba went to be uncle school now. And again, this COS for Abia waba a human anyhow. Not obi approach you, sir. Met me application amount. Me the bube to nana biso. You ni biso say we are ne nana. Or no your grandparent. Now we are the grandchild, another grandson, and a granddaughter. Now, me who be a omaye. Birth certificates are their corner. Home Office, actually, back say they don't want to accept, they will not accept the scanned birth certificate. They want you to post the original birth certificates to them. And to one say, Nkrofwe, amone ababibia ho.
Yeah.
And see, I'm original, post the original nebra. No more she say a genuine and I genuine. Ma who be so a ebia me any grandchild no me na me student no ana ma me kan say me student no student na waba no me any ni papa na ne also your application amano no o say me papa no yes student ni grandfather no o ye you name na wakoye birth certificate no so no ana yes wakoye but wakohwehwe grandfather and birth certificate. Now, Osha grandfather and birth certificate and fear we no. Any me a me abufrani papa no and fear me medino. What did to do one? It doesn't match. I'm say last week me kai.
Yeah.
Me father any me fear no. About 5 years difference and a womb. It be cry 10 years difference. It doesn't make grandfather or me papa or
when he was 10 years old. Wow.
Osha
Miracles.
Yeah, na a hard game for now. A day I hear we a home office nipa na obi the idea but to anymore decision bena obey grandfather any father the age difference is 10 years. Meanwhile, wo ba no wo papa dinga would two application form the student from Ghana. Wo mama dinga would two application form the student from Ghana. It was so. Hey, said, do you have any other family members in the UK who say no? What we do here, you know, suddenly, your grandfather went to Nakroma for 10 years. And you want to see Uni Ubusambia Ukromano. And Joel said the answers we provide to the questions will determine the outcome. And sometimes, and yet sometimes, but always, they go back to check information na eda record ne so ansa na omaye decision enti ebiom yesre so obi aka kire wo se odi obetu you be su say your grandfather and our grandmother bisane say yese me nkoye DNA me den na me my grandfather aye na me DNA nso a na am fine e DNA me bisane these two questions yese me nkoye DNA me den me koye nso na am fan so a me den ask these two questions. Oh, they, oh, you don't need DNA. Don't take that for an answer. Because I'm sure your arms will be twisted. Kakra wo musam no waja go. Next time we pair, you won't get it back. Wa hwe brebe wa bransa na wodi bibi kakra to ho. Na chese obi twist your arms to your back. Na chese woji afi musam a. Eya na a hard dwente. Let's take note of that. Papa, another thing, and it's a me whole situation be a or baby. Papa, wait there, situation be a me who.
Oh, okay.
Bano, oba krom hano, or the busum enum pepepe and a owe. Busum enumo, a young watchy, a young cron, enum and a owe. Owe and also, abofrani papa. Edi ni ding etu abofrani so na oji ha bibia ema no okwa akoya application no wamma efikesimfo enhu se na papa no na obefie na onenem nyemu ye ansa na obedu kroma na owe pajo papa uti we na say na because onyenza ya no na abofrani papa na ofie obefie for visit. But one fasa evidence no anka application no enti efficacy for no ebisa ne say uba ha no eye busum enum na owo ye abofren so nyensa so ye busum enkron enye nwotwe enye num edie na kire se na papa no owo Ghana anza onyensa wanza na wo bekrum ha. Now, because na only papa no relationship na break it down to wanya papa no anji evidence I want a passport no anchirenti home office for say omo nje ntu say abofra na ye papa ne ba ye make answer so ne say bibi sa na wo ho a bon modern naji evidence e kire say na papa no na oba fie na wone no enya bibi ye ena wonyin say ubedu krom ha no wo wie no ena odi ne den se oya bofra ne papa nti wo sign ema ubana na asem de na asem ko ba ubedu krom ha buso miensa enan enum wawo papai wagietum but one for evidence anka ho interest wonyin say wo ukrom no na me no ene wo ho ansa na wo bana one share application na genuine application for one share na aka for create problem edi amount enti honso me pese ye hwe eho eyi papa cho me dey say bibia ye clear
yeah.
And those are some of the information sir me pese me di etuja now manya questions be more send me questions be me answer. But before I answer some questions, to me, me kasa briefly about home office application decision making times. Obi bet me akasa Papa Eddie, me ni amane baye. Ye na ye for the say BA flight 2457. If you Ghana and you be ye na the same day.
Boeing aircraft.
Oh no, seat number B2. And I mean some or B24 and I mean some B25 and yet now you ever do you know on why application within 8 weeks yeah dear man means my application I got that for 1 year I didn't know me then I got that for 1 year oh no only 8 weeks questions way at me back Me pese me to me boase. Na me chere say everybody's case is different.
Yes.
Every application is treated on its own merit. And this awudi akọ. Now according 6 weeks. Obensu de nidi akọ. According 1 year. Different scenarios, different situations, different circumstances, different waiting times. And one. Number 2. Say, would the document be a application who edikwa? Home Office don't just accept the documents like that. They go and do their own checks to be sure say documents are udi abano are genuine documents.
Yeah.
And sana omoye decision. Ebia for omani suda. E will be painted. And no thing as a self-way decision now. They go back and check. The years, 20 years, 25 years ago, what me be keke. Eddie Kono. Those years are gone. AI, anyhow at that time. So say dear, AI, ewaha. Now, open for within AI, chat GPT, information about mau after one kasa no. Over say, hey, me ana it will be fufro. Sometimes the information you get about yourself can be so shocking. Tinia can say, be days, years, centuries, decades. Abetwemu na. Wotimi sese bibia keke. Na udia go kitchen sink no say Home Office for and sort it out no. Those days are over. So say no, you were a very technological, advanced stage. Documents are what their application. They check it one by one. And to men fa dia genuine. And kon kofra. Ebe say we be at the amount. Would the BT bill qua? Home Office may check with BT. Would the is it Vonage and Adema they will check with them. Would the Thames Water bill qua? They will check with Thames Water. Would the TV license qua? It's a phone call away. They check. And as all the documents look consult to the third party to verify. I want to make my third party in the timeline set your per decision within 1 week. They be. And you want to employ them. And it's a open information be and almost all the documents they come on one. They have to do it at their own pace. I'm responding to you. And don't say Home Office at the information they call and all the documents they call that they want a verification for a document, and it's going to take them 2 months, 3 months, 4 months to make to check for them. That is what they will take. And don't say it's one of the reasons why Home Office applications can delay, because they need to check every document with the supporting application. Now, you don't use fake documents. So, all the fake documents called I'm friend verification. So, I'm going to verify. Now, I'm going to say any genuine. They will prepare the document verification report. And no, a better record. So no, you are notorious. If you're the first time, second time, you are notorious for using a fake document, and that can affect your applications in future. So that is one reason why applications may take a very long time to come through. Now we have different processing times. Different processing times. There are occasions where you may have to wait longer. 1, your visa application may take longer to process. For example, the information in your application is not accurate or requires further consideration. Information on your application is not accurate or it needs further consideration. And no better remember your application now. ache. Obi de betumi aba one day 24-hour miracle. Once we dey 6 months, 8 months. So if the information is not accurate or it needs further consideration, it can result in your application delaying. Number 2, you need to provide further evidence. For example, evidence of funds, money you receive from friends and family, etc., etc. And non your application can delay. Number 3, your supporting evidence need to be verified. And no, and I'm saying now, the documents need to be verified. So all the documents called example bank statements adequate. Home Office would have to check with the bank to be sure that it's a genuine document before they make a decision. So that is a very important reason why applications can delay. Now, fee waiver applications that sometimes we application now. Home Office, it's me back. No, I can say with the bank statements from 3 accounts and buy, but you acquire your checks. You say you have an account with Halifax ending with 1245. 15 number Kojibra.
Hey.
Yes, until we say, hey, now wait. My account yanko. Omu ya den omu say me wo account. Omu ko bibi a friend Equifax. Omu system a omu di check account wo na omu hu details no ba omu hu say wo account bi a 15 no amma ewo Halifax. It ends with 1245. Details no there omu mfama nti wo no Kojibra. Bia na wo disika bia tewo ho. Wo project bia wo ye wo GH no, wo disika ko tewo ho. Na wo penkrofo esika bi. Nti wakoye application for fee waiver. Almost day bi ye ho. Say wo account bi ho 1245. Ewo Halifax Kojibra. Wo koyi na wo di ba na bia 12,000, 15,000 wo mo say na wo sika na wo transfer say wo ni sika nti ade yempama sika na wo dia asiesie no wo dia si ho no fa no for your application. And see, all of this is a reason why some applications delay, because they will verify the documents you provided, the accuracy of the content of the documents you have provided. Sometimes, and so your application will delay if you need to attend an interview. So Home Office for a interviewer. Echere say, Oma Shishim, Oma Hun say, information now with the Abraham Bibi Ensisisu. Because Mameno wa worry, Ongua worry no, Wasako worry, and I would ya basse. We are Nikuno. Meanwhile, Home Office check your record, Mama say, Mammy, you worry in Wongui. Ongua worry, one for him, Brian, yeah, just say, Ogua worry, Mumbra. Interview ni and check if you say, and pa relationship no genuine and na a honor a better me delay for application. Another one is to say, what worry mammy or mofra mienza or give benefit Emma and mofrey. Now so mammy say, me person with me baba kuni pet and or no fire application ni. Me and I carry there, me person would think ever record so. Papa, meanwhile, mommy oji benefit Emma mofra mi ensan yo. Home Office for so na issue emofrey a British passport. So ena issue other relevant documentations. Home Office for so enim say wo kura no wo your application wo ma mi ensan ena wo record so. Afei wa worry. Papa your application. Abofra ba ko pe ena wo dia ka application. Mienu na ho kan more details na eno almost have some questions for document we bra e ba ni sa e ma application no a delay And also, one share na omako refuse because one can correna ninana anchrewo no more than so no more refuse the application. In fact, say a bear suspicious sana I'm me from say mumbra for interview. Now to be very sure say the relationship is genuine and subsistent. It's one reason why applications can delay. Further information is required on your personal circumstances. Example, if you have a criminal conviction or you have a case pending in court, and also your application would delay. We've dealt with situations like that. We grant a criminal issue, a domestic abuse issue be, and a medical report to the police station said this is what is going on. On that basis, the police have prepared a dossier and they intend, an interview, and they intend to prosecute. Case no enyanko court, but because I got that police record, Home Office for actually say, until that case is resolved, we'll put the application on hold.
Wow.
And it can take 8 months, 9 months, 10 months, a year or more. Why wouldn't the way criminal cases progress in this case?
Yeah.
They would take their time to make sure that they have the evidence, and it takes time for them to gather this evidence into application. The Home Officer, I bet me I got 1 year na decision. 1.5 years, na decision, because the court case has not been resolved. Your immigration case will not progress. So it is also one reason why applications delay. Obi baka so say me dey many criminal record bia me ndi obi aka me ni court in the case. And then na me dey na check. Right. We will come to that. So now another reason why the Home Office may delay your application or your application may delay is UKVI is experiencing increased visa demand or applications. When you say at a certain point in time, there are a lot of applications. Example, a Kodu holiday timer, applications from outside. They may be applications say yeah, they want to come and visit. So in times like that, the visit visa applications increases, the volume goes high, and it can cause a delay in that application. But internally, say, a lot of people's visa expiring time is around December. Naturally, in November, the application numbers would increase. In that case, it is a reason why your application may take longer to be decided. Also, sometimes, say, Home Office, UKVI, or there is an unexpected technical outage affecting visa systems. Machines now with the ejuma, it can break down. The system can break down, and the Home Office can also experience unexpected technical outage that can affect the visa processing system. About this, everything will come to a standstill until it is resolved before the application process can progress. So these are some of the reasons why applications do take time. So let's bear in mind that we application, there are times it can delay. And you don't find yourself in a very difficult position. In any case, the application is delay poor. Sir, who was it na didawa? And I would call ansana. Uvisa ne kwako Home Officer. You are protected by idea section 3C. And which say, even though application and visa na Home Office now, still no, would that so it was it na copim time a Home Office a decision. But ewu won someone. And Home Office, bet me I can say, ewu yansa na wodi ba ente wo no wontumi nye adwuma biom. Employer bet me catch you say because you can't generate a share code, you are unable to work until the Home Office makes a decision on your application. And no, a problem. And yeah, you share obia clients and I to obia for say, please say I'm out decision. Unim deadline, unim the dates are best by. Put it on your phone. Put a reminder on your phone every month. Monthly reminder.
Yes.
Monthly reminder. Me one year maybe on my phone, so every month it reminds me.
Sure.
Every month because yeah, koye name no na refuse eba. Near money dozo. One say here. Adianka as I say we yen no. Uso echina meye. We never ba on so no. Na 2 weeks abetwam. Deadline so have a pound. And to set a reminder. Set a reminder on your phone. Now, I better remind you every month, so that an open cry every week, weekly reminder, so that you know what to do and what not to do. Papa Nima be or next year. Yes, I'm reminded every time. I am reminded every time because when share wherever fee. No. Eddie problem moment. Eddie abro. And see, let's bear that in mind. Let's bear that in mind. Sorry, I think my video played up a bit. Okay. So generally, these are the times, decision-making times. One. So OYA standard visitor visa application, it takes up to 8 weeks. But open in term, I'll make you extra £500 on my decision number in term.
To jump the queue.
We application will chrome her. Now open in term one. Who are sitting at the down? Now who call for extension? Now open in term one. Who you £1,000 extra? Hey. Let me on your decision within 24 hours. And I'm friend 24-hour miracle.
Wow.
And to get your home office fee, £1,321. That is 1321. Now what your IHS of £2,587.50. What in the mean in the bomb? £3,908.50. Open quick decision. Open 24-hour decision. Over £1,000 account. Now yet £4,908.50. So would you find say 5,000?
Yeah.
Over your decision within 24 hours.
Wow.
If everything is in place. But one pen in term, Nasa and your idea over 2 choir. And you wait me a standard one, then you should be ready to wait for even 8 weeks or 1 year. And the idea will 2 choir. And you can catch a few for some obianyari. I mean, yes, over show be and say 12 months, 1 year, you should be ready to wait. So student visas take 8 weeks. Child student, 8 weeks. Then we have skilled worker visa, 8 weeks.
Okay.
Health and care visa. Say grandma chomonti me nyem fifiema. Just say 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Now my decision. That is all other things being equal. If there are no hitches here and there, then it's expected that it should go according to the timeline they put here. Then your charity visa, 8 weeks. Your creative work visa, 8 weeks. Religious worker visa, 8 weeks. Now, if you have an application, graduate visa, where we are university, what course now? We application for graduate visa, 8 weeks, but over to me extra. Now I have decision within 5 days or 1 day. It all depends on the amount. A graduate visa and a skilled worker for that 5 day with framework now. But Everybody else, if it's a standard family life application, then it is either standard or super priority, which is 24 hours. So we have other ones which I want to talk about briefly. We have British overseas passport 12 weeks. Minister of Religion 8 weeks. And I'm a decision. Sir, we application. I will chrome her. Partner. What worry? Partner, spouse. As I said, omitted the income support level. And now the financial threshold of £29,000 now. Would you know? 8 weeks. Just a white try English no A1 and A2. We try a friend is saying you meet the requirement for the income support. The financial requirement 29,000. What try English? We try 29,000 no. 1 year 6 months pay slip, 6 months bank statement, letter from employer, or tenancy agreement or evidence of cohabitation, BPR, and no 8 weeks.
Okay.
Now, so uko omwa partner, spouse. You don't have to show the income or minimum income threshold. Maybe you are on the 10-year route in this way. Wono, would you need 8 weeks? Would you need 12 months? That is 1 year.
Wow.
1 year. And umpo minimum. And yet, say, by all means, I made a decision within the 12 months. It can take longer than that. We have parent application. We have papa wukruma. Ubani British. And now we have application based on Ubaniso for our citizen. Once we did 12 months. Not 12 weeks, but 12 months. 1 year. And son of a decision. It can take longer. But over 2.5 years needed dawa. Ubet me a quick one no. Person will go down 12 months ninety. Ubet me a quick one no. Na 1 year decision. But as a soldier, the £1,000 extra and son ubet me a quick one.
Okay.
That is what it is. Child application is 8 weeks. Adult coming to be cared for. We application among mame and now papa say ombro krumha. Now, we have a share so 8 weeks before that application will be decided. And who complain here? Who change na 8 weeks na chem, and now 1 year na chem, 12 months na makana a chem one. Now we are complain to home officer. Ombetro brofo kama. Brofo so yet de say. Ombeka say there is no service standard for applications in the UK on the basis of your private life. That's a very nice English. It's not nice to you, but that is their English. There is no service standard for applications in the UK based on the basis of your private life, partner or spouse, private life, minimum income and English language where it is not required, or applications as a parent. The processing times listed are based on the current volume of visa applications. Very nice English. And what can you say? Processing time now they are 8 weeks, 3 weeks, 12 months. No, is based on the volume of visa applications. And if the volume increases, your time also increases. If the volume reduces, your time reduces. That is what the Home Office will tell you when it comes to visa processing times. And to say why application, train 8 months, 10 months, and Maya, and you will lawyer no na aye boni, a Home Office, and I almost say, Q ni also, Q no what? Would you kin to and it was over kakran sana do so near Saville. That is what it is. So,
right, you lawyer,
scenarios.
Can I bring this question?
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's about the health and care worker visa.
Right.
that you said now they've cancelled it.
From outside, no?
From outside.
Outside,
no?
yes.
Okay. So does it mean, say, somebody who is a healthcare professional, like a nurse or healthcare assistant, can they use skilled worker? Can they make a skilled worker application as used before the health and care worker visa came? Before the health and care worker visa came, people were able to do working visa,
with
applications.
The NHS and other, yes.
Yeah.
Well, clearly, there are different categories in this healthcare sector application system also.
Okay.
There are, I will say, my book codes people Chrome had our program is SOC 2020 61435 6136 6145 6146. Those codes have been affected, but there are other senior managerial positions in the NHS are all come under the skilled worker route. So they may still be able to apply. So it all depends on the category under which the individual's application falls. And no, and never determines yes, you will pass, or no, you will not be able to come on the skilled worker visa route. So it all depends on the route. Yes.
Okay, Medase. Thank you.
Right. Medase. So that is with the long waiting times. Many questions be. So last week, program no. Some questions came to me, and I want to just address one or two of this if we have some time. Now,
Okay.
Number one, or say I have a child, but my name is not on the birth certificate. The child's mother is a British citizen. I have done a DNA and it shows positive. That is, I am the father of the child. The question is, can I make application whilst I am changing the birth certificate? That is nipa ni question. Or nipa ni ding any abufra ni birth certificate na so. Why DNA? Echire se oya abufra ni papa ampa. Opese obisa se obetumi aye application wo mreko a osisa birth certificate ana odi ni ding akoto birth certificate na so ana.
Wow.
My answer is yes, you can. Whilst you are waiting for the name to be put on the birth certificate, as I said, call the registrar of births, on my statutory declaration, you swear, they send it to the GRO, they complete, it's back and forth. That time, no application at the home office. Who the DNA no? I bet you say, I am the father of the child, based on the DNA. Who pekrobat me the blank birth certificate now, would ding any sono, obet me the numpo account application on. Now, would you call? The facts are from any passport, no. The facts are from birth certificate, no, so and Cherese, Unyabo Frani Papa. DNA shows that you are the father of the child, and on that basis, you'll be able to, of course, make the application. So, whilst I add that honor, not birth certificate, no more correction now, over to me, Eddie, and no. So I could come on my home office. So my answer to the question is yes, you can make your application whilst the birth certificate is being changed or is being corrected or amended to put your name on it. Papa, wow. There was another question.
Okay.
I say, what if, I think it's a follow-up to the same question. So what if my name is on the child's birth certificate, but the child does not have a British passport, even though the mother is a British citizen? Can I still make an application?
Wow.
The answer to that question again is yes. The child is a British by law, not by the paper. So whether the child has a British passport or not, the fact that the child's mother is a British citizen The child was born in the UK. Section 11 of the British Nationality Act of 1981 says that once the parent is settled or they have British citizenship before the child was born, the child is automatically a British citizen. They don't have to apply for a British passport to make them British. They're already British.
Okay.
That confirms the fact that nipa bebree wɔ kurom a aborɔfo bebree wɔ kurom a ɔmo ne British passport just sɛ ɔkoto kwan go baby na wahakɔgye passport ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ British.
Okay.
And the fact that wo ba no ɛne British passport ɛnkyerɛ sɛ ɔnyɛ British. My application bi da me di abofra no ne birth certificate me di ne maame a ɔyɛ British citizen obroni ɔyɛ British me di ne maame birth certificate. Saa nneɛma mmienu yi me di kan ho ɛna me di application ɛma abofra ne papa ɔnya na setna.
Wow.
Yes. Because mmara no ɛne yɛ kootie ɛnyɛ yɛ ne yɛtwerɛ mmara no yɛ de yɛ kootie mmara no na yɛ de ayɛ application. Me ma home office 40 aseɛ sɛ the British Nationality Act 1981 section 11 says so. And if that is the case, the child's mother is British. Is the child's mother British? Yes. At the time the child was born? Yes. In that case, was the child born in the UK? Yes. Well, then it flows that once the child's mother is British, the child was born to her, the child was born in the UK, automatically the child is British. You do not need to see the British passport to determine or to conclude that the child is a British citizen. They didn't ask any question. They are sitting on the money, papa, without any problems. So once you know the laws to base your application on, you refer them to the law, they go and check it themselves, there's no problem. And they will issue yourself or your child the application now. So that is what it is. So yes, there is one more question I just want to add.
Okay.
Yes, I think there's quite a few questions. I think about 6 or 7 questions, but we don't have the time. So I'll say I came with a visit visa with my child who is a British citizen. I made the application 3 months after I entered when I came to the UK, but the application was refused, even though my child is British. What can I do? In other words,
he came with a visitor's visa, isn't
yes,
it? Okay.
Exactly. And to Mami from Niama Menyano, Mami Ewo Ghana, and Mofrani Papa Ewo Kroma British. Owo Mofrano, or British passport Emma and Mofrano. And to Maminin Ashani Manu Ghana, and a Mamini Bo Moding. And ya visit visa and I didn't mano a buyer.
Right.
Obedu Chrome Hano 3 months and all the application 2 more. And I'm refusing say your application falls for refusal. Or because I'm dentina because now down for be a catcher and it say or no ni my British. Why application? Ye the amano. Also, my British. Why application ya refusal? Untia say I didn't know. Ya refuse say. No, sir. Well, let me explain it to you. There are different requirements. Papa, okay, so there are different applications and different requirements.
Yes, sir.
Every application is based on its own merit. Every application is based on its own assessment. We application now. Yes, what situation? 1. Tambena your suitability requirement. Or criminal record be ana. What by using NHS that ana yama osikase tia awen tia what can trobi our previous application mo ana just they check all these things. But in this case, so or your application ana why your application based on the map or see overdo chrome hano 3 months. So we share requirements now. Your suitability and your eligibility. Suitability and your eligibility. Suitability nature so only criminal record and any problem. Are you eligible? Yes, you are suitable, but are you eligible? Eligibility nature say abofra na ye uba ai e dey na chere birth certificate o krom ha yes o ye under 18 yes okay ye dey no atu nchan wan kasanso wo asit na visit visa uba krom ha na mfie busum say na wadi wo si 3 months almost Debbie. Emrani chere say uko appendix V. V stands for visit. Who visit visa as well. Want to mean your application say would na krom ha. As long as I will visit visa no. So our visit visa no. We application na. We are 100 times you ever refuse you 100 times. And non take one chang ama sa visit visa na or so no. And that's so it was so. And as a sort of chang kakra to a certain time ansana would to me a application. One to me and chang your application. And to sawosha the relationship requirements and now the immigration status requirements were fairly a honor and a omodi arena. And as a set oba yet Nancy and uncle who lawyer on Nancy not uncle Emran was a hano ya take it a hano ya take it a hano ya take it we are ya bet refuse application no ansana what the application it to Emran ya can say reading the law, reading the English is different from understanding the law. What me can brofono different from the law. Brofono different. Bra and omachron or brofomo, and your brofono omachron or bravo, brano na omachron brofono. And to camrana, brofona, it can be totally different. Last time na me catch re binu say who can near 20 kwanumwa. And yes, I won't tell us I want to make 1, 2, 3, and until about your 20 or honor. So 20 no much honor. Ayamara?
Yeah.
Ayamara, who pay would do her? Would you tear so much? They can't 50 or would you her not just said about letterbox more.
Yeah.
Yes. And running be about a dime home. How much also 30? We obey man or bar would was so now Propomukas minimum idea 30 and a tear so ever will let up also. And the Emrano, or much you should be of FM, and what you shall be a dime home, or you dear pose home. A chromono, the Dimra and the Yejuma. Emrani said, who visit visa swar, we application on a refusal. As long as who does what visit visa suit we are on a refusal. Nyaman kitten or honor, and no. And I am with the tea, and tea. Bueno, Macassa, or to me, a friend, not or Bahni at Nancy, Macata sister. Yen say, yen say, and now Gilletta Wayfield School, and Mofrano, Mamunko School, for register GP, Juwebra. Now I can't now boom. By that time, no, not a time nice as set with not Cromano, not Abiana and Nunsasso, not yet the 2 more. And Nadia met me a mob, met me a show boss say, would you quack? Obenya wasitra. DJ,
lawyer, wait there, ma'am. So, senior okay, say if say, but still she is on visitor's visa. Can she
it will be refused?
Okay.
It will be refused.
These are they has to go back.
No, on call back. You better know what happened. You were a quiet. You were
wow. Wow, wait there. Just a lawyer one with me.
Uncle, you baby her.
Wow.
But your time in beer as I said, this period no from her.
Wow.
But with the letter from GP, letter from school, letter from tenancy agreement, I just said tenant, landlord the amount letter, and our brother the amount letter. So men are sure, men are support to be and find a birth certificate, a copy of their passport, copy of your passport. Everything is in place. As long as who does what visit visas, so no 100%.
Wow. Wow, yeah, this is news to me. Until I take for our chairman only master called Suma and Wisemart from Kwano Mutimia and who here was a situation just get in touch. May they more contact this and be good so now so that you can call them. Well, lawyer, thank you very much. God bless you for your dedication to this. And your chair Wisemart Funya. God when next week same time never say abam ho na behua se binya bra.
I promised to communicate with you, but I couldn't say this week. No, Yabakasa.
Right. Therefore, wow, today I've learned something new. Say somebody put out on visitors visa. Say, would you buy or no? Yes, citizen. Now, to produce in your which your application ever kruma a brow kuta visitors visa with a Wisemart Vonkwan or between I right Wisemart Solicitors or more contact information. Yo. Made the more contact information a big screen or so. Right. Or more unit is also between 7 to 9 the print house. 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, London E8 3 Delta Lima. And our screen also. Our office number 0208 016 5384. That is 0208 016 5384. And our mobile number and now make us say is the emergency number. Lawyer Wisdom. Oh, somebody you brought your question too late. Lawyer Wisdom, whether Mr. Share screen so will be the question about so that next week probably we can address it. She brought it late. The person brought it late. Right. So Nipa other question about you can take the number of Lawyer Wisdom and call him as well. That is the mobile number on your screen right now. I think that would be better. Call the number on your screen, the mobile number, probably tomorrow. Yes, 07931 411 042. That is 07931 411 042. Call that number. That is Lawyer Wisdom's number, and you can ask your question. But at the moment, the program is out of the studio. So, all right. So, for Damasi, everyone who was able to join the program, subscribe to our pages, toponlinestation.com. We are on Facebook and YouTube, and subscribe to them pages. So every time you come on, you can be notified. Also, we have a radio app you can download from toponlinestation.com. You can go there and download the you can find the app download links, or you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and search for Top Online Station or Top Online Radio UK. So before I draw the curtain, I would want to let us hear the message from Wisemart Solicitors so that we can know more about what they do in addition to immigration. In addition to immigration issues. Don't go away.
Ghana for our portrait, ya say then, Kenya emrenim for when a quarter war emrenimu, a potokasemu, yakase a lawyer for, and Timinianoma, Mumian for immigration in seminar, and called Dynamo, Wisemart Solicitors, Wisemart Solicitors, emrenimu could draw for. So what's now, Ombe Bwama Saka on Krata, Naswedi drone swa, a yomokokra, a banini passitemu, any ejumemun sembia, Omudimuakotenepa, Omuomre, the many pebia. Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahinifuchinie ebidi de bie.
atrema kasa dodo emfa shema erade kaso na manya imaso
Ghana for wa portray ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
atrema kasa dodo emfa shema erade kaso na manya imaso
Ghana for wa portray ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. Ahini fuchiniye ebidi de biye.
atrema kasa dodo emfa shema erade kaso na manya imaso
Ghana for wa portray ha ya say dene enya emranimfo a won akwadare wo emranimu a poto kasa mu ye kasa a lawyer for entimi nuanom mumyemfo yi immigration ensem nyina enko dan wo mo Wisemart Solicitors emranimu akuku drofo se watna ha che ombeboa wo ma wonsa ka won krata na se wadi edro nso a eyo mo kokokra eba ne nipa sitena mu eni adwuma mu nsem bia omudimu akotene pa omu wo mre di mani pa bia Wisemart Solicitors
always puts our clients' needs first. We specialize in all UK visa applications, detention and deportation cases, student and work points-based work permit applications from both UK and abroad.
Wisemart Solicitors also deals with
immigration law, family law, employment law, civil litigation, Ghanaian customary law, commissioner of oath,
long residence and human rights applications outside the immigration rules. Don't wait till last minute. Wisemart Solicitors. For inquiries, call 02080 165 384. Mobile 07931 411 042. Address 8 to 9 Print House, 18 to 22 Ashwin Street, Dalston, E8 3DL. Overground stations are Dalston Junction or Dalston Kingsland. For buses, 67, 76, 149, 242 and 243. Wisemart Solicitors. For how be dying. Now be unse. I ni fuchiniye ebidi de biye. Ghana for our